how to use WhatsApp channels to broadcast messages. So for that, open your WhatsApp, and from here simply tap on the updates option right here. So in here you can select your own channel, or if you don't have one, you can now scroll down a bit, you can tap on create channel. After doing that, tap on continue. Then in here simply name your channel just like this, and in here if you want to describe it, you can add the descriptions right here. Then you can simply tap on create channel. After doing that, here you can see it says you to invite followers. You can select any of your contact and invite them, or else you can simply skip that for now. And in here you can now share your channel in order to people to join it. So after doing that, in order to broadcast message, what you can do is simply write anything. So in here I'm going to write something, hello everyone, then I'm going to add an attachment. So just like this, here you can see all you need to do is tap on send option right here, and just like this you'll be able to broadcast messages on your channel. And that would be it.